Comparative statistic, we are talking about this. For example, if the price change and if the income change, then what will happen to our demand level? What will happen to our demand level? So in this case, if the income change, but the price is fixed. If the income change, but the price is fixed. So in this case, we only have income effect. In this case, we only have income effect. And how we can graphically write down that? Previously, our income, our budget constraint was here. Our budget constraint was here. For example, was M. But now, our budget constraint changed to something M plus delta M. There's some change. So then, our budget constraint line will move to the new line. So this is the budget constraint of M. This is M plus delta M. M plus delta M. So in this case, we only have income effect. Because when the income increase for the normal good, if the income increase, we will buy more. We will buy more. So this will come from the income effect when the price is fixed. But in another way, when the price change, but the income is fixed. When the price change, but the income is fixed, in this case, we have two different effects, which is income effect and we have substitution effect. In case of price change, while the income is fixed, we have both income effect and substitution effect. But in case of income change, while the price is fixed, we only have income effect. Why we have income effect here? Because now the purchasing power change. Due to the effect of our purchasing power, we have income effect. We have income effect. And why we have the substitution effect? Because of the comparison of prices. Compare prices. So when the price change, so we compare the price of this good with another substitute one. If we see the substitute good price doesn't change, but only the price of this good change, so we'll move to buy another substitute good. So we have the substitute effect in order because of the comparison of prices of different substitute good, and we have income effect because of the change in our purchasing power. The change in our purchasing power. So here it's simple because it's only half income effect. But here we have both income effect and substitution effect. But the thing is, this income effect and this income and substitution effect is different for different types of goods. It's different for different types of goods. For example, if our good is normal, so then here x1, x2, this is our budget constraint. Suppose this is an initial budget constraint. This is the second one. This is the third one. It shows the income change. Shows the income change. So when we think about x1, So then, for example, in here, we will buy this much amount of X1. This much amount of X1. And here, we will buy this much amount of X1. And here, we will buy this much amount of X1. So then, if we connect these dots, suppose like this. If we connect these dots, if our income elasticity is less than 1 and greater than 0, if the income elasticity is less than 1 and greater than 0, then this good is normal. This good is normal. And if, if this income elasticity is less than 1, greater than 0, this good is normal. And so let me write down another things. If we have another way, for example, if our income is this much, we will buy this much. If our income is this much, we will buy this much. If our income is this much, we will buy this much. So if we connect these dots, so if our income level was here, we were here, we were here, and we were here. So now we can see x20, for example, x21, x22. The demand for x2 by increasing the income level is increasing and increasing with increasing rate. Increasing with increasing rate. So if the income elasticity is greater than 1, income elasticity is greater than 1. So in this case, if our income increase, the demand for that good increase more than the increase in our income level, then that good is a luxury good. That good is a luxury good. But if we have another case, which is if the income level increase, but the increase in demand is less than the increase in income. Is less than the increase in income. For example, if the initial income is this line and we have demanded this part. If the income increase, we demanded this part. Again increase, we demanded this part. We demanded this part. So now we have this direction. We have this direction. So in this case, when our elasticity is less than 0, you see here and here, our income level increased. Our income level increased. But the change in X2, you see, there's no change in the demand of X2. Even if we move to another curve, let's write down the fourth one, this one. Even it's decrease. Increase and again decrease. So when we have this much income, so we will buy this much of X2. And instead of increase in our demand, it decrease. So in this case, we have inferior good. Inferior good. So in case of income effect, when the income change and price is fixed, so if we have different goods, so we'll have different direction. For the normal good, which is the elasticity is less than 1 and greater than 0, the demand increase, but not so much. But in case of luxury, the demand increase more than the increase in income level. But in case of inferior good, even if the income increase, the demand for that one decrease. So this is the income effect. So in this two case, we have positive income effect. In this case, for the inferior good, we have negative income effect. Why we have negative income effect? Because when the income increase, the demand for the inferior good decrease. Here, when income increase, demand increase. But here, with the portion of less than 1 greater than 0, but here with the portion of more than 1. But in this case, when the income increase, the demand for that good is decreasing. So this is inferior good. Okay, for the next part, maybe we can cover next time. I think time is finished. Thank you.